Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have sprinklers and your grass just keeps growing all over them, I have the perfect solution for you. This is a sprinkler head protection from the brand GRASSHOLE. So it's time to remove those old school concrete donuts and replace them with these awesome sprinkler head protectors from GRASSHOLE. They are really easy to put in and they look great. I love that they're green so they blend in with the grass, but at the same time it's bright enough where you can see it so you don't damage your sprinklers when you're cutting the grass. Something really unique about these is that if your sprinkler head is close to a concrete edge like a driveway or sidewalk, you can easily notch them out to make them fit. And if your sprinkler is short, you can notch out for the sprinkler head supply line and install these right over your sprinkler, which is really nice. The flange of the GRASSHOLE is also a little wider than the concrete donut, and more importantly, it's a lot deeper. And this is really nice because it prevents the roots from the grass to grow around your sprinkler head and keep it from working properly. Another great thing is that it has a very low profile, so they won't get damaged when you are cutting the grass or weed eating. So if you want your sprinkler heads to last longer, definitely check out GRASSHOLE. These sprinkler head protectors are amazing, and that's my point of view.